Good morning children. Today 4th class mathematics we have to discuss about that new chapter, that is multiplication. It is our 4th chapter. Okay children. Now we will see what we will see. First of all, we have to learn some properties of multiplication. In previous class we have to study about properties of subtraction and properties of addition also. Same like that, here some properties are there. Properties of multiplication here. First we have to discuss about that first property. Our topic is today properties of multiplication. Okay children. In this first property, that is multiply by 1. The property first one is that is multiply by 1. If you multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself. We will get the number itself. For example here 6 multiply by 1. Do you all know 6 table? 6 ones are 6 and 27 multiply by 1. 27 ones are 27 only and 593 into 1. Again 593 only. Why? Because if we multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself. It is first property. For example, take 4-digit number also. 4364 into 1. Then also you are getting 4364 only. It is our first property. And the next property, that is multiply by 0. Multiply by 0. Okay children, here you have to multiply any number with 0. What we will get? 0 only. For example, 7 into 0. 7 zeros, 0. Next, 64 into 0. Then also 0 only. 481 into 0. Then also 0 only. Next, 9875 into 0. Then also 0. Like this you have to take any number of digits and but multiply with 0. We will get the 0 itself. It is our second property. And third property, that is A into B is equal to B into A. Means if you change the order of the numbers, then also you will get the same answer. It is order property. Third one is order property. Here, for example, I am taking A as 8 and B as 7. Do you know tables? No. 8 sevens, tell me. 8 sevens how much? Recall the table ones. 8 table. 8 ones 8, 8 to 16 like that. 8 sevens, 56. And here I am changing the order of the number. Means it is A into B. Means now I am taking B into A. B means A. So I am writing first A. A means 8. So I am writing 8 first. So 7 8s are. Then also 56 only. See, if we change the order of the given numbers, the answer need not change. It is called order property. It is first example. Next second example, that is 10 5s and 5 10s. It is also 15 and 5 10s also 15. So if we change the order of the numbers, then also the answer need not change. Next, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This one, the factors can be changed. If the factors can be grouped in any way, the product remains same. Okay. If the factors can be grouped in any way, means factors is nothing but tables. 5, 2 into 6. A I am taking as a 5. B I am taking as 2. C I am taking as 6. Here first I took a box, means a group. I separate A and B first. Okay. 5 twos 10 into 6. 10 6 are 16 is equal to A means first 5 into B means 2 into C means 6. Now here I grouped B and C. Here I grouped first the factors A and B. Here I grouped the factors B and C. First multiply B and C here. 5 into 2 6 are 12. And 12 5s are 12 5s are how much children? 5 12s are 60. If you multiply like this and like this also you are getting the same number. See children, the factors can be grouped in any way. Grouped in any way, the product remains the same. Okay, it is our fourth property. 1, that is adding, multiplying 1. Second one, multiplying with 0. Third one, order property. Fourth one, grouping property. It is called grouping property. Grouping. Okay. And using these properties, we have to practice some problems. That is in your exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. In this, the heading is find the sums. Find the products. First question is 236 into 4. Here also I am leaving one number after one finger gap. Why? Because for easily doing the problems. First here they given 3-digit number. This 3-digit number multiply with 4. 4 means 1-digit number. You have to start multiplications first every time ones place 2. Now multiply 4 to 6. 4 6 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. Any like have to do, but have to do the first ones place. 4 6 do you know 4 table now? Read 4 table ones. 4 ones 4, 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12, 4 4 16, 4 5s how much? 4 5s 20, 4 6 24. We want 4 6 24. Okay. So this 4 cut and right here. 2 write down in the next place as a regrouping. Why? Because 24 means 2 tens, 4 ones. 4 write down in the ones place. 2 tens means this 2 write down in the hundreds, tens place carry. Means like regrouping. Next 4 threes are. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 12 plus 2. Again 4 cut and right here. 1 write down in the next place regrouping. 4 twos. Next go for the hundreds place. 4 twos 8. 8 plus 1 9. Here multiplying means you are getting one answer. For that answer you must add the carrying number. Then only you will get the correct answer. It is first one. Next one. Second question. 3308 multiplied by 7. Here you have to learn the 7 table. 7 eights how much? 7 eights 56. 6 cut and right here. 5 write down in the next place as a regrouping. Here 7 into 0. Now only we learn multiply any number with 0. We will get a 0. 7 into 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5 only. Next, 7 3s or 3 7s. How much? 21. 21. 1 cut and write in here 100 place answer. 2 write down in the next place regrouping. Okay. Next again 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 23. So it is our answer 23,156. Okay children, like this you have to finish given problems in your textbook. Next one, and the last one is here, third one, 4,653 into 4. Here 4 3s are, tell me children, 4 3s are 12. 2 cut and write here, 1 write down as a regrouping. 4 5s 20. 20 plus 1 21. 1 cut and write here, 2 write down in the next place regrouping. And 4 6. 4 6 are 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 26. 6 cut and write here, 2 write down here. Next 4 4s 16. 16 plus 2 18. So our answer is 18,612. Same like this you have to finish in your textbook. And today your homework is complete in textbook page number 89, 90, 91 up to exercise 4.1 only. Okay children, this is your homework today. Once after the class, open your textbook and see page number 89, multiplication. Get started. Some bits are there. You have to finish these bits. Then read the properties once. After that, you have to take your maths notebook, write down the chapter name, copy these all properties with examples in your notebook. Okay. Then open the next page, that is page number 9090, exercise 4.1. You have to multiply and finish this one and up to this one here. Okay children, up to here only have to finish. This is your homework today. Thank you.